In fiber optic networks, even the smallest contamination can compromise performance. That's why every detail of the cleaning process matters, especially the cleaning fluid. The Pro360 Touchless Cleaner doesn't spray just any fluid. It uses a high-purity, non-flammable formula, specially engineered for delicate fiber end faces in high-density networks. It dissipates static charges, reducing the risk of attracting airborne particles. When the Pro360 tip is inserted into the connector, it injects this proprietary fluid into a high-velocity airstream where it instantly atomizes into a fine mist. Here's where the Coanda Effect comes into play. Powered by physics, the Coanda Effect is the tendency of a jet of fluid to cling to and follow the contours of a surface. The Pro360 employs this to full advantage. Using this fluid flow technology, a microburst of cleaning fluid reaches every part of the fiber end face. It cleans around every curve and crevice, a full 360 degrees, to reach contamination that manual methods might miss. As it travels, the fluid dissolves oils and lifts away microscopic dust. A targeted burst of clean, dry air immediately follows, evaporating the fluid and taking the contamination with it. The result? Consistently clean, dry connectors ready for immediate inspection or use. No contact, no scratching, no guesswork. The Pro360 cleaning fluid isn't just part of the process, it's the precision that makes contactless cleaning possible. Engineered for fiber, powered by physics. Learn more at sticklerscleaners.com.